Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you how to remap Windows keyboard keys in Powertoys, using a simple method to customize your keyboard the way you like. Step 1. Go to the Windows search bar and type in Powertoys, then click on it from the results. If you haven't installed it yet, you can get it from the Microsoft Store, or GitHub. It's free and safe to use. Step 2. Once Powertoys is open, scroll down the left menu and find Keyboard Manager. If it's turned off, go ahead and enable it so you can start remapping keys. Step 3. After enabling it, click either on the Remap a Key button or the Keyboard Manager title to open the full settings page. This is where you'll create custom key changes. Step 4. Click on Remap a Key, then hit the plus sign to add a new mapping. On the left side, choose the key you want to change, and on the right side, select the key or function you want it to perform instead. Step 5. After setting it up, click OK and confirm any prompts. You can now test your new key behavior in something like Notepad. Just press the key and it'll do what you assigned it to do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Windows tips.